I like trains.
Alright guys, so I'm actually still here at Sykesville because I decided to stay for this empty coal after all. This is E73020. Coal empties originating in Baltimore, Maryland. I think Consol Energy. I don't think this one originates in Curtis Bay, but I could be wrong. And I'm honestly not sure what this terminates in. It might be Grafton, but again, I don't know. But I hear them rounding the bend right now. This is E730. So here we go. Here it is. You hear them chugging. This train met M372 at the Davis siding in Woodstock.
It's currently late at Grafton. The last name is 2:06 a.m.
Crossings are going off any second. Here they go. Empty coal. Tubby Express. I'm gonna read the graffiti on this train. Goodness, he's going slow. Another Tubby. Something candy? Man, there's a lot of sticker. That ghost is on all these cars. Look at all of them. That's an old one. These I don't even know. I shouldn't even try. I doubt this train is a combined train. Definitely going really slow. My goodness, there's a lot of graffiti. Prima. It's almost creepy how slow he's going. Wow, another short one. 2 in a row. Interesting. Ugh. Baines. Another Tubby. Oh, I'm not reading that. Oh my, I'm not reading that. This is a clean channel as I pan profanity. Some rant you, I don't know. Tubby again. Crotch 15. I like that one. I'm kidding, I don't. 06. Reuse, whatever, Tubby. Man, this thing's going about 15 miles per hour. Cars. Ka-chow. Rent. That one coal hopper was for rent. It almost feels like this train's gonna stop again, but ow, doubt it. Gosh, I can't stand that. Noise. Hoofs. Another tubby. Bone or bonk. Bonk. Bent. Bring it on! Wow, that was card 30,000. That was cool. Kind of. 300000. James is James and Amy. Congratulations. Take a ride on the Sausage Express. This is awesome. This is why I like catching coal trains. You can goof around. And oh, here's the last car. For shame, it doesn't even have anything good on it. Oh well. There goes E730. Westbound at Sykesville Station. Thank you guys for watching both of these videos here at Sykesville, Maryland, and here at Main Street Crossing in Sykesville Station with Old Main Productions. This is the Old Main guy signing off, and all of you watching this, have a great day.